In this video, I want to go over the opposite number problem on Codewars. And what I want you to do is, given an integer or a floating point number, find its opposite. Now, let's just look at some examples. So the opposite of 1 would be -1. Opposite of 14 would be -14. Opposite of -34 would be 34. Now, there's an extremely simple solution to solve this problem. Return negative number. And the reason this works is because if it's positive, it becomes a negative. And if it's negative, well, adding another negative would make it a double negative, and double negative is just positive. So let's attempt it and see if it works. All 106 test cases passed. So that is the very, very simple opposite number problem on Codewars. If you learned anything or you found this video valuable, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And I will see you guys in future tutorials.